So, hello, happy Saturday. Got a little mixed compilation here. Etc. So it should be fun here to watch. And some friends I met up for after coffee with Diana, Heather, and her mom. And then Elise was along too, so the training yards too. We're all here just because of a stupid transit bus that broke down the middle of the freaking Queensboro Way here. Yeah, well. Anyway, back to the train.